keyword research is how we find out what keywords people are typing into Google. We can literally research the words that people are already using in searches, how many times, and track if those searches have grown or shrunk recently. These are powerful insights that will help you choose the perfect keywords and phrases to use on your website. There's many tools that you can use to do keyword research. Some are paid and some, they're premium, and some are free. And we're going to mention a few in a bit. So step 1 of keyword research. What we like to do at Toto is to start simple. Open up your web browser and head over to Google and type in some search terms that you think your customers will use or have used to find your website. When you see the SERP, remember the search engine result page, look closely at the websites that Google returns for your search. Ask yourself, does this list look like a list that I would like to appear in? Step 2. Next, take that list of phrases and let's put them into a tool of our choice to get some real data. Let's go over some of the tools you can use. There's a ton. We'll mention just a few here in this lesson, but feel free to explore other tools.